Students, now let us look at some shipment consolidations and how would we actually do these shipment consolidations. You have some concept of shipment consolidation. You will refresh it here and you will add some value to it as well. Shipment consolidations may be done by time, inventory, and space or equipment. So it would either be the inventory consolidation or a time-based consolidation or a space or equipment consolidation. All of these approaches attempt to minimize the operating expenses by cutting down on the number of trips. Consolidation, in general, in principle, would be actually looking at cutting your operating expenses by targeting what? By actually minimizing the number of trips. That is why you will actually consolidate. So consolidation is a perspective that would only work if you don't have any limitations for, let's say, time or inventory. So if there is no limitation for it, then you can actually consolidate. And that is actually possible if there is a time consolidation, for example. I can consolidate my shipment based on time if it is being allowed to me. I have a longer lead times from my customer. So it was possible for me to actually delay one shipment and actually consolidated the other one. So the low volumes were actually not increasing my total transportation cost. In fact, after consolidation, I was able to deliver it to the customer in a timely manner as well. So you have to look at your target time or target inventory or the equipment as well. Let us look at some time-based consolidations. When two customers at the same location or a nearby locations want their deliveries on different days, say one is Monday and the other is on Tuesday, there are probably three options available with you. The first option is to deliver to the first customer on Monday and the second to the second on the Tuesday. जिस दिन उन्होंने कहा है आप उस दिन उसको deliver कर दें. This would be the first option, resulting in two trips, but just-in-time deliveries. So remember, just-in-time would cost you something, but when it is needed, you delivered it at that time. This is one option. It's of course a just-in-time delivery, and if it is a just-in-time delivery, there is no time-based consolidation to it. The second option is to deliver to both of them on Monday, resulting in excess inventory at the second customer site, but saving a trip. You can consolidate it. You can actually, one of the customer will be getting on-time delivery, while the other one will get before time delivery. In that case, the second customer site would have excess inventory with them. The third option is to deliver to both of them on Tuesday, resulting in increasing the cycle time for the first customer, but saving a trip. The example assumes that the combined demand for both customers may be met by one truck. So there is an assumption, there is a limitation. If that limitation doesn't hamper you, you will actually try, as a transportation company or transportation enterprise, you will actually try to minimize the trips. That will actually save you a lot of cost. Then there are inventory consolidations as well. This approach is related to increasing the order size to benefit from the quantity discounts offered by the vendors. This may also help to take advantage of better transportation rates resulting from higher weight or volume. The downside of this approach is increased inventory carrying cost. Yes, because of the vendors, there are breakpoints. So if you get the quantity discount from the vendor, that will actually decrease your total transportation rates. What does it mean? अगर मैं order करता हूँ ज़्यादा, तो I will get a quantity discount from the vendor. That simultaneously will actually decrease my transportation rates as well. Now, the downside of this issue of this inventory consolidation is that I would have excess inventory with me and my carrying costs would be higher. So we need to look at it. So there is a trade-off as well. Thank you.